Hi there. What if I told you that getting to 20K per month in your coaching business has nothing to do with how many followers you have, or how often you post content, or how fancy your brand looks like online? You don't have to even take my word for it, because here's exactly what I mean. Emilia, for example, sold out an 11-person retreat at 4K each with under 900 followers on Instagram. Or Heini and Maria, who scaled to 80,000 in a month in under 8 months from zero without ads or even 1,500 followers. Or Johanna, who made 12,600 in her first month selling a brand new offer. Or health coach Anni, who scaled to 40,000 plus months as a mom without ever going viral. You know, none of these women were chasing vanity metrics. They followed a simple, powerful model, the same one I'm going to show you today. And it's called the Smart Scale Framework. And if you're a full-time coach, consultant, or expert already making some money with your expertise, this video will shift the way you think about pricing, selling, and delivering your services forever. So the expert economy is changing. We are in an era where being a visible thought leader is just as important as being profitable. But the market is tired of empty promises, funnels that don't convert, and info products that don't transform or change anything in your life. People don't want more content. They want real results, and fast. So if you're here to help people win, build a respected name in your industry, and scale sustainably, you are in the right place today. So the old way that keeps most experts stuck is that you think you need 10,000 followers to just get like 4 paying clients or something like that. Or you keep scrolling, posting, and praying your dream clients magically find you. You are launching new courses every month, been there, done that, pricing them at 97 euros or 297 euros, and still wondering why it's not enough for people to buy. You are spending hours on one-on-one calls, completely burnt out, giving away free content for months before you even make an offer. And you're stuck in perfection mode, trying to finish your website or perfect your sales page instead of just talking to people. Constantly tweaking your niche and thinking that the problem is who you help, when the real issue is how you package and deliver your expertise and what is your model. So this is why most coaches never break past even 10,000 per month. And it's exactly what we are going to fix today. So the new way, the Smart Scale Framework, step 1, product market fit. You create one irresistible premium offer. So instead of chasing 10,000 followers, you build a 5,000 to 10,000 offer minimum. So you only need 2 to 4 clients per month to hit consistent 10K to even 40K in revenue per month. So instead of launching mini courses at 97 euros, you create one transformation-based premium offer that solves a painful problem and actually gets clients results. So instead of perfecting your niche endlessly, you choose one clear problem to solve and refine as you go, based on real client conversations. Step number 2 is systems. You build a simple process that generates weekly demand. Instead of scroll, post, and pray, you use a client acquisition system inside one channel. LinkedIn, for example, is so underrated and it's often enough. And instead of spending hours in one-on-one calls, you offer async support like voice messages, inbox check-ins, and that gives you more flexibility without sacrificing the results. And instead of waiting months to sell, you sell first and build second. You validate your offer in real time with real people. And the step number 3 is people. So you delegate, automate, and buy back your time. You don't scale by doing more. You scale by becoming the person who no longer tolerates less. And I really mean that, because I don't believe that solopreneurship gives you the freedom that you're looking for. So you need to build systems and people that let you operate at a higher level. So if you are working nonstop and still making under 20,000 per month, the problem isn't you, it's the model. You don't need to hustle harder. You need a smarter system that matches your value. So when I started, I did exactly what everyone told me. So I spent 2 full years creating and launching low ticket courses, sometimes even monthly, and I was so proud of myself because new offers, new logos, new slides and content, but at the end of the month I couldn't even pay myself a salary for 2 whole years. So I was exhausted and I was broke, and every real breakthrough I have had in my business came when I stopped trying to do more and I actually started doing less. So first I killed all the other offers and focused on one premium offer only that solved a painful and urgent problem for my ideal client. And that one decision changed everything. So I built this 6K program with one clear solution and for one specific client. And in less than a year, the revenue of the business grew more than 1,000%. So I had one offer and one simple sales process and one repeatable system, which made everything so much more easier. And that is the power of Smart Scale framework. And you might be thinking that, but what if no one buys a 5K offer from me? But here's what most people don't understand. The price itself already creates value. When someone invests 5,000, they don't treat it casually. They will show up and they will commit and they will take action. So the higher price actually means better clients and better results. And also, no matter what your price is, someone will always think it's too expensive. So even if it's less than 100 euros, so stop trying to convince everyone and find the person for whom 5K is a smart investment. So this is about solving that issue rather than thinking that you can't do that, because there are experts who are charging probably even 10 times more from the same stuff that you already are doing. So here is a practical tip. You can ask yourself, what would make my offer worth 25,000 euros or dollars? And what would need to shift in delivery and the clarity of the outcome or the experience for the client or the support? And then when you have figured all of that out, go and sell that version for 5,000. Because the first person that you need to convince is yourself. You need to see the offer as a no-brainer offer, as something that it's like a great deal for the client. Because if you don't see it that way, it doesn't really make sense to raise any pricing. Because if you don't believe in it, no one else will believe in it either. And because I have experienced this myself, and we've helped more than 500 clients, like experts, entrepreneurs, coaches, and consultants, with the right offer and positioning. The right client will see your premium high-ticket offer and they will think, wait, like, do I really get all of that for this price? Like, it needs to have that kind of effect. So that is when premium pricing becomes easy for both you and your clients. And another myth is that premium means more of your time and you need to give like all of your life for those clients, but that is so false. Because if you're already burnt out, doing those one-on-one calls for 1K per month offers or less, scaling will only make you even more burned out, even if you got clients with that price point. So here's what we teach instead. Replace calls with async support. So it can be like even unlimited message support or something that you can control, and add done for you elements that speed up results, and build leveraged systems that scale also without you. For example, like I don't actually work with our clients. We have a team doing that. Like one team member can handle like 30 to even 50 clients without me going there, because we have the systems in place. So we have a team that builds for the clients some of the stuff, and also executes and implements some of the frameworks and processes with them. And the result of that is faster wins for the clients and higher perceived value because of the done for you elements, and less work for you as an entrepreneur and expert. But how about the sales process, which should be simple and repeatable? And with what we teach and use in our Smart Scale framework for our expert clients, it means no funnels, no 17 email sequences, just one marketing channel and 2 to 3 high signal posts per week, and one clear call to action, and one qualification call, and one confident invitation to work together. And that is how our clients consistently sell 5K plus offers without funnels, followers, or hard selling. Because selling doesn't start with pitching, it starts with positioning yourself correctly. So the next thing is upgrading your identity. Every single business breakthrough is preceded by a personal one. So you don't scale by doing more. You scale by becoming the person who no longer tolerates less. So some of you are too used to struggling. You are chasing small money and it shows, trust me. So stop tolerating it. Like, I know so many great experts, entrepreneurs, mainly women, unfortunately, who are so used to struggling that they don't even expect more. So set a new standard, build a business around your energy, your values, and your lifestyle, because you will attract clients who match that. Trust me. But in order for you to do that, you need to change first. Your standards need to change first. And I believe the most powerful business you can build is one that makes real profit. So it's like you have the financial well-being, and it creates real transformations for your clients and positions you as a respected leader in your industry. So you're not just a coach or consultant, but a category leader. And this isn't about passive income fantasies or something like that. It's about building a premium business that funds your freedom and elevates your personal brand and gives clients real breakthroughs. So if you're ready for the next step, if you are a full-time coach, consultant, or expert already making some money and you want the exact blueprint to grow to consistent 20K plus months with premium clients, without the ads, without maybe the biggest following, and no burnout, then I made something for you. So click the link below to watch my free training, how to charge 5,000 to 10,000 for your services without new certifications, years of experience, or increasing your workload. So let me show you how to forget those small invoices and start building real leverage with your expertise.